Okay, zoom చేయి. So it is having 3x charge, single press voice assistant, easy access, instant pairing. So we have, let us open this one and see what is inside.
The same one.
So this one I got it around 1200 rupees. Yeah. Okay, it's very small. This is the one we have, and we have something inside this one box. What is this? Okay, we have some earbuds to suit our ears, different, and we have a charging cable, and we have a manual how to use it. It talks about single bird, we can use it, how to connect, all these things, and we have 1 year warranty, and we have something advertisement on the boat products. Oh, we have many here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now we will see when we will open it and see what is inside. Yeah, okay, this very tiny one. We have two. Yeah, we just started. When you open from this box, it is in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay, you can see it's 85 charge, 85%. That's it.